How to save and export videos on CapCut. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application CapCut. Well, it will land you on the homepage of CapCut. Tap on New Project. From here, choose the video that you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this video. Click on Add at the bottom right corner. It will upload your video to this section. Well, different editing tools will be available to you. You can also trim the video if you want to. At the bottom, you can see different editing features is available. You can edit the video as per your need. And once the editing is completed, tap on its resolution at the top. Choose the frame rate, resolution and the code rate as per your need. Once you have selected, tap on its save icon at the top right corner. The video will start to export into your gallery. You need to wait for a while for it to complete. There you go, the video has been exported successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can save or export the videos on CapCut. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.